Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix Windows update error code is 0x80004005 on Windows 11 or 10. It's very easy to fix it. So first you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it and Windows update, click on run. Now wait some few minutes, this detecting process will be complete. Now close it. Now search CMD, this command prompt, just right click on it, click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Some cases do not ask permission. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes. This processor will be complete. This process will be 100%. So type this second command line. If you comment, so I will give in description box. Just copy and paste it. This command line. Need to simply right click on it. So this command will be paste easily. And this both command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart your all problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.